So here is the handle. This is the slider, which is going to go over the thermo probe as a protector. And then over here, you have a number of different types of power cords. There are going to be adapters, which you can use in all of the device, depending on the country. There's a portable battery, and this battery is going to need to be attached to the handle at all times to make sure that it is powered, and it's also going to be described a little bit later so that we show you how to read it. And then we have 4 different power cords.
In order to charge the battery, you have a couple of different options. You can use the device that plugs in directly into the wall with different adapters depending on the country that you're in. This would then go directly into the wall. You would charge the battery by plugging this into the battery bank. An alternative, if you don't have a source of energy through the wall, is to actually use a portable energy source, such as a portable generator. And you would, again, charge the battery by plugging this in directly into the battery bank. When you first get the battery, it may have no charge. In order to determine how much charge there is in the battery bank, you're first going to use the power button to turn on the battery bank. Press down and hold, and the blue LED light will illuminate. This will then show you the percentage of charge remaining. As you can see, this has 0%, and thus we will need to charge it before using. If your battery does not have charge, you then can use the wall outlet. In order to put this power cord together, you have this power brick. The gray end of the cord goes directly into the handle. This you want to line up until it fits. Sometimes that requires you turning in different directions, and you'll hear a snap. Next, the portion that goes directly into the wall, the other end of that cord has a 2-pronged end that plugs directly into the power brick. Again, you'll hear a snap. Now, this can be plugged directly into the wall in order to power your device. Similarly, if you want to use the battery power bank, you're going to get the cord that has the gray end. Again, the gray end plugs directly into the handle. You're going to put it in. You may have to spin it in order to hear a click. This end then plugs directly into your power bank on your battery. The blue LED light will illuminate, and you're ready to go if it is charged.
It's important when charging the portable battery that you look first and you see that it's 0%. And when you plug it in to the outlet, you should see a lightning bolt appear, and that tells you that it's charging. So if you don't see the lightning bolt appear, remove the device from the outlet. It's important to push down to take off the brick and try again to reseat the brick, and then try either a different outlet or the same outlet and look for that lightning bolt. As you can see here, it's charging.
So here we're going to review how to put the handle and the probe together. You have your handle. Here you can see the gray arrow is going to line up with the gray arrow on the probe. You're going to push it and then turn it. Again, follow the arrow until it locks into place and will not turn any further. You can also see that the arrow now lines up with this groove in the probe. You want to put on your slider. To do that, you're going to put the probe tip through the end of the slider and snap the white piece on. And now your handle is together.